Hi everyone, welcome to this short video of our research paper. Let's watch a short clip about smart warehouse from Cognizant Factory. As you can see, several different functional robots are working collectively. But how can we ensure that each robot will finish its tasks honestly? In this research, we propose a framework for verifying the completion of tasks using proof of location and distributed ledger technologies. Additionally, we designed a reputation system. Here is the workflow of our proposed systems. Let's start a simulation demo here. Firstly, let's input some simulation parameters like the number of robots, size of the warehouse, number of the tasks. All the information will be delivered to the web page for review, like the properties of robots, properties of tasks, properties of objects. In this simulation, there are two malicious robots marked in this graph. The trajectory of each robot will be generated with different colors. During the task execution process, all the legitimate robots will try to verify the tasks completed by other robots, and they will try to detect the malicious robots. The following part is related to the simulation results. These are the transactions submitted by malicious robots. Two malicious robots with the detected time and location, and the reputation value of each legitimate robot. Transaction attachment relationship between nodes. Number of credentials needed to submit the transaction. Number of tips with respect to time. Reputation changing of each robot. Distributed ledger generated. And here is the detailed content in your transaction. This is the finalized distribution of objects in a warehouse and the inventory of each storage area. Thank you for watching.